Struggling to find quality stock images, music, or videos that don't break the bank? Or tired of boring content that makes your brand feel meh? What if I told you there's one platform that gives you access to over 310 million royalty-free assets and lets you generate custom images with AI? Yep, this might just be the ultimate toolkit for creators and marketers. In this video, I'll show you how Deposit Photos is saving people time, money, and creative headaches by giving you instant access to high-quality stock assets and next-gen AI tools all under one roof. Stick around, because I'm also going to show you how you can grab a lifetime deal at 84% off. Deposit Photos is a massive content library with over 310 million royalty-free images, videos, music tracks, and vector files, all ready for commercial use. Think high-resolution product shots, cinematic B-roll, audio tracks for YouTube videos, even illustrations for social media ads. You name it, they've got it. And the best part? Every file comes with a commercial license, so you're fully protected for client work, advertising, or your own brand. Now, here's where things get really cool. Deposit Photos also includes an AI-powered image generator. Just type what you want, like a futuristic skyline at sunset or a cozy cafe in the rain, and boom, a totally unique, high-quality image is created. Perfect for when you need something fresh and on brand, without spending hours digging through libraries. And yes, the AI images are commercially safe. You're officially licensed to use them for web, print, ads, and more. Deposit Photos doesn't stop there. You also get free access to tools like background remover, image upscaler, great for social media, reverse image search, and curated collections by trending topics. This means less time editing, more time creating. Whether you're a graphic designer, marketer, YouTuber, or small business owner, this platform replaces multiple tools and subscriptions with one simple solution. No more paying $30 a month just for stock music. No more hunting for safe-to-use images. And absolutely no more legal gray zones. Right now, Deposit Photos is offering a one-time lifetime deal, just $49. That's access to 310 million plus premium assets and AI tools for less than the price of dinner. Click the link in the description below to grab the deal before it's gone. If you're serious about taking your content, branding, or creative projects to the next level, Deposit Photos is a no-brainer. Create more, stress less, pay once, own it forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on how to use the AI generator or get the most out of your credits.